In this video, we're going to do this Introduction to Compound Interest problem. So in this problem, we have a loan that has an interest rate of 6% compounded each year. Assume that no payments are made on the loan, and we want to find the amount owed at the end of 1 year and the end of 2 years. So we have a formula for compound interest that looks like this. It's A equals P 1 plus R over N to the NT. So our P is our principal amount. That's the $7,500 in the problem. And our R is the interest rate. 6% means that our interest rate is 0.06. So when converting from percents to decimals, move the decimal point 2 places or divide by 100. So 0.06 or 6 divided by 100, which is also 0.06. So my R here is 0.06. The N is how often the interest is compounded. Here, interest is compounded each year. N is how many times a year interest is compounded. So if it's compounded once a year, then my N is 1. So this is 0.06 divided by 1, which I don't really need to do. I know anything divided by 1 is itself. N is in 2 places in the formula, here and here. So I'm going to put the N again. And then T is the number of years. So for this first part, T is going to be 1. And for the second part, T is going to be 2. So 1 times 1, then I'll do the same calculation with 1 times 2. So we have our Alex on-screen calculator here. I'm going to drag it into the problem so that I can actually type it in. So 7,500 times 1 plus, and then again 0.06 divided by 1. I'm just going to put 0.06. And then to do a power, I use this X to the Y button. So that gives me my power. And for the first one, my power is 1 times 1, which is just 1. Hit the equal sign, 7,950. And then I'm going to do the same calculation, but instead of T1, I'm going to have T being 2. So 7,500, 1 plus 0.06 to the 2 power. I could use this square button here to do the power of 2 also. That's a little shortcut, so we have 8,427.